You're watching KSJ News Explainer. In this video, we are going to talk about Supreme Court directing the Center over Fundamental Rights. This is related to GS Paper 2 Polity.
Before we get started, I request you to please turn on the subtitles.
Observing that fundamental rights are guaranteed to every citizen, irrespective of vocation, the Supreme Court directed the Center, all the states and union territories to commence the process of issuing voter, Aadhaar and ration cards to sex workers and keep providing dry ration to them.
Now let us get into the details.
The Apex Court, hearing a plea that has raised the problems faced by sex workers due to the COVID-19 pandemic, has been passing orders for their welfare, and on 29th of September last year, it had asked the Centre and others to provide dry ration to them without insisting on their identity proof. A bench comprising Justices L. Nageshwar Rao, B. R. Gavai and B. V. Nagaratna ruled that the directions of the Apex Court on providing ration cards to the sex workers were passed in 2011, but they are yet to be implemented. The state governments and union territories were directed to issue ration cards and identity cards to sex workers almost a decade back, and there is no reason as to why such directions are not implemented till now, the bench said. The fundamental rights are guaranteed to every citizen of the country, irrespective of his or her vocation. There is a bounden duty on the government to provide basic amenities to the citizens of the country. The central government, state governments, and other authorities are directed to commence the process of issuance of ration cards, voter ID cards, and Aadhaar cards immediately. The bench directed that authorities can take assistance from National AIDS Control Organization and State AIDS Control Societies, who in turn will prepare a list of sex workers after verifying the information provided to them by the community-based organization.
Going into some background details.
Now, earlier the Apex Court on the 29th of September 2020 had directed all the states to provide dry rations to sex workers who are identified by NACO without insisting on any proof of identity and sought status report on compliance. The Apex Court was hearing a plea filed by NGO Darbar Mahila Samanvay Committee, which has highlighted the destitution faced by sex workers on account of COVID-19 and sought relief measures for over 9 lakh female and transgender sex workers across India. That's all we could pack in this edition of KSJ News Explainer. Stay tuned for more such videos. To join KSJ India courses and to crack the IAS exam, visit ksjindia.com. You can also get a PDF of this video on ksjindia.com. Thanks for watching.